Big change is coming in 2026. The COFI bill reshapes financial advice in South Africa. There's no more product pushing. Advice must be proven real value for clients. Here's the reality. South Africans face a negative household savings rate of minus 1.1%. That means that only 6% can retire comfortably. Rising costs means that are most drawing on savings instead of building them. That's why advice-led planning matters. It's not about selling policies, it's about solving real financial challenges. I'm Neo, a certified financial advisor in Cape Town and in the Durbanville area. My role is to give holistic guidance. Debt, savings, retirement and tax, not slided product talk, because every financial decision ripples across your whole life. DM me the word consult and I'll send you a link to book your free 20-minute financial clarity session this week.